going to, hold on a second, give you a new empty new apartment tour. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. First, like nobody knew that I was moving, looking for apartment. I've been looking for apartment for months. I had this apartment for months, but I couldn't move yet because there were still people here. I'm very excited about this apartment. I love it. It's a lot of window, a lot of lighting. I'm sorry if you hear a lot of echoing, it's because obviously it's empty. I will go ahead and show you around, and stay tuned for the couple more videos. I already filmed a few videos that will not come. They will not be coming out in like sometime next week, and the other one probably the other following week. But just stay tuned, and please do not forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So yes, let's just go ahead and start. Here is the entry door, and right here we have the coat closet. I like this is new. They put this stuff new. And the floor is new because it used to be carpet, and before I move in they put new flooring, so I am excited about that. This is the laundry, which is not empty because when I came to get the key and stuff, I brought stuff with me, so I just throw it in here. They gave us the trash can because they provide a trash can, and they do provide the washer and dryer. So I brought this stuff with me. I just throw everything there, throw everything on the. And over here is the bathroom. Very nice. I love the flooring, and that takes you to the master bedroom. So you have a door here and a door here. That's the other part. So yes, guys, this is my new place. I'm excited. So let me go ahead and move this way so you guys can see. So that's the entry, and I love this entryway, the arch or however you say that. So I'm very excited about that. And here is the dining room, which I will convert this. I'm planning to convert this as my filming room. So I don't have an idea yet, but I'm not gonna use it as a dining room because I spend a lot of time here. I work in the house. Pretty much I film in the house, I do my business in the house, and I work inside the house. So pretty much everything is a house. So this right here is the kitchen, and I'm in love with this. This is my favorite part of the kitchen, is the window. I love windows, I love lighting. I don't like to be in a dark place. So here is the kitchen, the sink. I don't know how much cooking I'll be doing because I don't really like cooking, but. And over here is like the living room, and I love all these windows, the lighting, new floors. I'm excited about that. So right over here in this door is the bedroom. It's pretty big. I love the windows. A lot of windows. So right here we have, they put a new carpet for me, so that's good. And those are the stuff that I brought with me. And here is the closet, which I am excited about this closet. It's pretty big and spacious. Turn the light on. I don't even know where's the light. Hold on, let me look for the light, guys. Where's the light? Well, oh, found it. Wait, that's it? So yeah, this is the walk-in closet. I'm excited about that. And here is the balcony, patio, deck, whatever you call it. I don't want to show too much for privacy reasons. That's my Jeep. So yes, guys, I am excited, happy. Alright guys, this is it for the empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys could go ahead and stay tuned for more videos like this. I have, like I said in the beginning, there's more video coming up. And yes guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Bye bye.